Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change your map in Temple Run 2. To change the map in Temple Run 2, first of all, make sure that you have the latest version of Temple Run 2, since developers often add new maps during special events or updates. Once you update the app, go ahead and open the Temple Run 2 app on your device, and once you are in this main home screen, tap on the Maps button at the bottom left corner. You'll then be able to see a list of maps displayed on the screen. Here you will see different maps like Lost Jungle, Sky Summit, Spirit Coves, etc. Each map can be unlocked in different ways, spending 500 diamonds. Some of the maps can be unlocked in different ways, such as through watching an ad or upgrading the map. Go ahead and select the map you want to play and click on the play button. To unlock the map with gems, go ahead and look for this 500 diamonds kind of option and simply tap on it. And if you have enough gems on your account, then you can easily unlock this map. You can also get more gems from the in-game shop. If you don't have the map you want to play, you can unlock new ones by completing missions or challenges. Purchasing with gems can also be done, which can be earned in-game or bought with real money. And that is how you can easily change your map in Temple Run 2. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.